Hi, welcome to back everyone. My channel Vijaya Learning. Hi, welcome to back everyone. My channel Vijaya Learn. Today topic is the 15 15 chart GPT prompts boost your productivity work smart every day. It is useful very. The chart GPT can become a personal productivity coach. The 15 powerful chart GPT prompts can complete transfer your daily routine. It is the student, employee, entrepreneur or teacher. The prompt will help you work smart, not hard. The creative hub tracker. Create the chart GPT. This is the create habit tracker, and this prompt you can type this chart GPT after opening. Then click this upload button. What is the output is coming? You observe this. This is the habit of the monthly report is coming. The first one woke up early. First day, second day, 30 days is the coming. If you take this habit, you can take this habit 30 days. You observe this 30 days, 31 days this month, 31 days is coming. The exercise timings and drink 2 liter water and read 30 minutes, learn new skills and meditation, no social media, sleep before the monthly goal. This way it is coming. After that, the second command is the build morning routine. This build morning routine is this way 6 a.m. woke up, this 6:05 drinking 1 or 2 glass water, 6:10 a.m. make your bed, and 6:15 is a stress, do light exercises, stretch to or light exercises, 6:30 meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and 6:40 read books and learn to the skills, 15 to 20 minutes shower, get ready, 7:20 eat healthy breakfast, 7:40 relieve your daily goals, start of the most important tasks. This way the morning routine checklist, you can check this all the you can do that particular time, you can check this box. This is the focusing of the top 3 priorities. This is the morning routine preparation. This chart GPT given the single prompt, this much as output is given. The third output is the habit tracker. It is the creating the 30 days habit tracker for reading and exercise, meditation, water intake, and sleep, including daily check boxes, weekly progress summarize. The build your morning routine. This prompt is the designing productivity 60 minutes morning routine based on my goals are improving focus, fitness, and mental health. The build your evening routine prompt. This prompt is create relaxing evening routine that improves sleep quality and prepare for the productivity next day. The plan my day to build evening routine. The evening routine is also is given this way. You observe this total. I totally complete read this report. It is taken much more time. It is that's why is going this video prologue. That's why I will short this finish work studies and this the plan tomorrow top 3 priorities and turn off screen silence notifications, batteries, meditation, deep breathing, 10 a.m., 10:15 go to bed. This is the program. You can finish this work routine checklist evening, and you can click these options and check this box. That's right. The another option is the another prompt is the plan tomorrow. This total date and planning the top priority, time blocking schedules this way, lunch, morning routine, exercise, evening routine, and dinner and evening routine plan tomorrow. Also high priority and medium priority, low priority, which can reduce main goals, secondary goals, and habits, and focus on this. Notifications and this in-day reviews. This is the output is coming. Out of that, another prompt is the break down big goals. Break down big goals. This is the big goal target complete. Why these goals matter? This is the five milestones. This is the first one, second one. Then check the status and step to action are not taken. Taken after 1 week or after never next one day. You can write this way. Weekly report first week. The monthly report is tracking. This way resource needed. Success habits. Task completed. This much is coming. After that, another prompt is there. Tomorrow, it is the help plan. Tomorrow, my takes are meeting at the 10 a.m. project work, exercise, grocery shopping, and reading, creating balance schedules. This plan my day tomorrow. Prompt break down big goals. Prompt the break my goal of become a data analyzing into weekly and daily action steps over the next 6 months. Big goals often the feel impossible until there is divided into the small manageable tasks. Create smart goals prompt. This converting goals, improving communication skills into smart goals. Create smart goals. The SMART goal plan also goal title, start date, target completed, specifications and measurables and achievables relevant to time bounded and weekly reports, monthly report. This output coming. Another prompt is this. Track my progress. Track my progress. This track my progress is a goal progress track. Goal, starting date, target date, current progress, which percentage is the milestone, first, second, third is the not started in progress complete, not started in progress complete. You can check this one. This weekly report, the daily progress is the date, main task completed, not what are the note. This is the summary. The another prompt is the create Pomodoro plan. Only single line this much output is given. The create Pomodoro plan 25 minutes of the focus any work and studies and 5 minutes to short break and repeat the 4 times. It is after 4 Pomodoros take a 15 to 30 minutes long break. This is the schedule long breaks. The another prompt is this organize my workspace. The single line how much output is planned is given to the report. You ask workspace organization, clear unnecessary items your desk and keep only essential work tools, arrange your keyboard and mouse compatible, position your monitor and at eye level, use compatible chair with a good posture support, keep organized. Work organize work materials. Sort papers into folders, label important files, store office supplies, keep frequent digital work, clean your desktop, organize files into folders this way. Cable management, lighting compatibility, productivity boosting. The end of the day, rest of 10 minutes. This is the report chart. The work pressure, check these key options. The another prompt was the with the measurable milestones, the specification and measurable, achieve and relevant to time bound. Track my progress. Prompt. Create weekly progress. Track my fitness and learning, finance and productivity goals. Create Pomodoro plan. Create Pomodoro schedules for studying account for 4 hours with appropriate breaking time. The Pomodoro techniques improve connections and reduce burnout. Organize my workplace. Give me step-by-step checklist. Organize my desk and digital workspace. Maximum productivity. Recollect my schedules. Analyzing my declare collector my schedule. Decollector my schedule. And click upload. The coming out. The review our commitments and list current tasks and identify priority responsible, remove unnecessary low value activity, delegated tasks. This prioritize high, low, medium, low, time edit and eliminate time waste. This is the schedules. Then another option is automate my workflow. The single word how much analyzing this ChatGPT you can utilize the 100 commands. I will show you step by step and each video is adding that. This is the automated workflow is the task, daily time task can be automated. This is the schedule. Create email templates, automated repair and schedule returning events, task, create running task, learn keyboard shortcuts and pin to frequent used application, bookmark important website. This is the report. The another prompt is improve time management. The single lane how much is given output and analyzing this very fast in the fraction of milliseconds. You observe this. This is the time management. 1 is equal to 4 and 5 is equal to excellent. Planning, prioritizing, focus, meeting deadlines, avoiding distractions. This is the another prompt is the stop procrastination. Stop procrastination. This stop procrastination. Sorry, I should not copy this. Now I will copy and paste this one. Stop procrastinations is given. This is the procrastinations on the self-assessment, free fear of failure, procrastination, lack of motivation, too many distractions, take a feel too big, poor planning, low energy, unclear priorities. This way you can this complete start the time work without stopping, dedicated where they continue after 5 minutes also. This is the 10 10-way beat the progression. Start with the smallest possible steps. Use the proper header technique. 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break, and write down the top three priorities. Set deadlines for every task. Remove the distraction before you beginning any work. Break large projects into small tasks. Reward yourself after completed important work. Take regular breaks. Stay energy. Say your goals. Focus on progress. The another one, the increasing my efficiency. My weekly schedule and suggested activities can eliminate, delegate, and reduce the free up 5 hours. Automate my workflow from this suggested way. Automated my daily work using ChatGPT, Google Sheet, and this improve time management prompt. Analyzing daily routine recommended better time management started based. Stop procrastination prompt. Help me overcome procrastination by identifying like causes and creating practical action plans. Increasing my efficiency. Review my daily work prompt. Click here. This is a daily efficiency plan. Today main goal and priority task, estimated time and completed. The before you start and planning your day, during the work focus on the task time, finishing your highest priority task this way, planning tomorrow priority also. The high, medium, low energy levels. The complete hardest task first. Use the keyboard shortcuts. Create reusable templates, automate repeated tasks, check emails only. This is the planning. The last one and the end of the day reflections. How to check. This end after the 10 to 15 minutes, you take a time, date, and day, energy levels, and the top today top winning of the three goals 1, 2, 3 habits. This way, what went what went well today? Challenging I faced. Did you learn today? Gratitude generals and tomorrow topic priorities. This way you can arrange this is the very useful. You should learn, you should productivity, develop your concentration and work is very useful. Please watch this video till the end. Thanking you very much. This video is very prolonged. Thank you. Your VGR learner. And recommended way to complete my task faster without comparison quality. End of the day reflection prompt. Ask fire reflection. Ask me 5 reflection questions about today. This is the achievement, challenge, lesson learning, and tomorrow priority. The last conclusion 15 ChatGPT prompts can help you build your better habit, manage your time, increasing productivity, and achieving your goals faster. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe VGR Learn for more practical AI tutorial productivity tips and educational content. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.